how to start your English speaking journey from completely in scratch in 2024. You are thinking that, right? Then this video is the suitable and perfect solution video for you. And I know that towards the end of this video, you will have all the answers that you really need related to this question, that how to start your English speaking journey from completely scratch in 2024. Because already New Year has started. So you have to do this, and you really need to do this because this year you really want to sort it down with this particular problem of yours, that you are not able to speak English. Now you want to sort it out, this particular problem, and you want to come out with the flying colors. I know that it is the resolution that you want to set. So definitely you should go ahead with this particular resolution, because this particular resolution will help you to achieve your destination. But before you land up to your destination, you have to overcome the struggle. You have to do rigorous practice. You have to follow certain rules. You have to follow certain schedules. You have to follow some basic things that I'm going to mention in this particular video. Only then, towards the end of the 2024, you will have at least the good command. I would not say that heavy words like very good English speaking, like fluent English will be speaking, but yes, you'll be speaking good English, understandable English, so that the opposite person will be able to easily understand your English. So good English, in order to get the good English speaking, because already many people have done this. Within 6 months, 7 months, they are speaking English in a very well manner. So don't need to worry about that. But the thing is that you must have to follow these particular things that I'm going to mention in this particular video. So the first thing that you need to do is that you need to fix that listening. That what are you going to listen? Because unless or until you do not have any plan, you will be finding videos here and there. Suppose you are watching my channel for conversational videos, for understanding that how to improve English, but for other thing also, for your related to your career, related to your health, related to your mind, I have already made a separate video where I have mentioned for intermediate speakers, but I am assuming that you are a beginner, so you might skip that video, but find a very simple and suitable video for you that you can understand. So already pick up, before you start your English speaking, just take one day time, pick up some 5 channels, 3 to 4, 5 channels, from where you can actually get videos, and you can get it done with your listening habit. So definitely find out some channels, that write it down and watch those videos regularly. And while you are watching the videos regularly, you will be recommended new channels, new English channel related to that, and you will be keep on increasing the channel. So from 5 to 10 within 1 month it is possible, and you can improve your listening. Then what you are going to read and how many hours you are going to read, that you also have to allocate. Suppose you want to read for 5 minutes, you are very busy person, you are a student, you are doing your internship, you are doing your job and all of these things, then find out 5 minutes, 10 minutes, depending on the availability of your time, and you will be picking up particular 5 minute, 10 minute, and what you are going to listen, that also you can do that. Maybe I also have made some videos related to reading, that what to listen, what to read in order to improve your English speaking. So you can find that video also in my channel, and you can read some books also, so that you can actually complete that, and you can complete your reading habit. You can do your reading habit also. Third thing is that very important, find some partners. If you have very less partners or very less particular people in your group or in your community or in any application, then talk with them. Do not hesitate, or do not think that I have to get larger group, then only I will start my English speaking. No, do not delay because of that particular issue that you are facing, that you do not have the larger group where many people are coming together and they are speaking English. So if you have 3 to 4 people in your contact, those who are speaking in a small group, or any application where you are finding very less people, go ahead with that. At least you have that platform. already I have made a separate video where I have mentioned one application that is very free of cost, and that you can use and actually do practice over there. So the thing is that everything should be scheduled in 2024, because the better plan that you have, the better result you can derive. So the first thing is that planning should be there and following that schedule in the 2024, because I know if you have wasted your time in 2022, 2023, then my friend, 2024 it would be the time where you do not want to waste your time. So make a promise that yes, I'm going to follow the schedule. Whatever you want to write the channel names, how many hours you want to actually listen, how much time you want to go for reading, how much time you want to go for speaking. So everything you have to do it in a proper manner and according to the proper time, so that it will not actually hamper your personal life or professional life. If you are a student, then this English speaking time or English learning journey should not have any kind of impact in your studies. If you are a corporate employee, then this particular time or this particular English speaking journey should not impact your corporate life. So side by side you have to balance it. So make a proper schedule, should be dedicated towards to this particular schedule that you are making. So my point is that do all of these things. Definitely in 2024 you will get your result, because it is the beginning of the year, beginning month, it is the January month. Then definitely my friend, this is something that you should do, you have to do, and there is no other way to actually resolve your problem. So whatever resolution you are making in 2024 regarding fluency, then you have to complete this by following this kind of schedule and this kind of routines, whatever it is. So my point is, you must have to do it. There's no other way. And I know that this 24 will be the year when towards the end of the year you will be speaking good English, you will be speaking understandable English, and your all the tension will be removed. But be patient for that.